Hey guys, Jules Kain here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go through Jesus is the Best Thing, recorded by Reverend James Cleveland. This song was recorded in the key of F major. Okay, let's start off with the intro and the first verse. I've had my share of life's ups and downs, but God's been good to me. And the downs have been few. Well, I guess you can say God has blessed me. Cause there's never been a time in my life He didn't bring me through. If anyone should ever write my life story, for whatever reason, there might be been there between each line of pain and glory. So Jesus is the best thing that ever happened. Jesus is the best thing that ever happened. Jesus is the best thing that ever happened to me. Okay, so to break that down, we're going to be starting off with a C major 2, B flat, A, F, B flat, to F major. Now you're going to play this F major, the first chord, with the second chord. You're going to do a lot of that. Second chord being G minor, so F, G minor. Now F augmented to D minor. To F sharp diminished 7 to G minor. G minor major 7. So when you're at this G minor, drop the G to F sharp. Okay? And then you play a G minor 7. So here. Okay. And now we're going to play this C7 with the lick on the right hand. To an F major 7. So now you're going to go to F major 7. So you're playing this A minor on top of F. To a C minor. It's a nice lick here. Now you're going to go to a B flat major 7. To a C over B flat, to A minor. God has blessed me. drop this D to D minor major 7 to D minor 7. He didn't bring me through G7 to C9 sus4, which is that B flat over C to that C7. And then the chorus, if anyone. Okay, so you're gonna play an F, B, G minor to F. Should ever write F sharp diminished 7, my life story. For whatever reason. So that little walk up. So G minor, F over A, G minor over B flat, B half diminished to a C7. There might be, so to an F. So that's C minor. B minor major 7. B flat major 7. Okay, that C over B flat to the A minor 7 to a D7 flat 9. Then Jesus is the best thing, G minor. That ever happened. Okay, so you walk up G minor, F over A, G minor, B half diminished. Okay, C7. That ever happened. Now C7 over B flat. Then Jesus is the best thing, A minor 7. That ever happened. So D7 flat 9. Jesus is the best thing that ever happened to me. Okay. And that's pretty much the whole song. That ever happened. Jesus is the best thing that ever happened. Jesus is the best thing that ever happened to me. Okay, that was a brief run through of Jesus is the Best Thing That Ever Happened to Me by Reverend James Cleveland. Hey, if there's a song that you would like me to put up a tutorial on, please send in a donation. You got the links in the bio and the video description. All right, until next time, take care, everybody.